Good morning, my lovely people all over the world, my friends, my customers. God bless you. To our today's video from Naam hair care product, we are going to show you how you can use pawpaw powder and moringa powder and neem powder to infuse your oil for better hair grow, guys. Your hair is broken, this oil will work for you like magic. This is natural, pure natural, guys, no chemical. You can see this is argan oil, this is jojoba oil, this is the oil that we pour in this bowl here. So look us how we mix our oil. Is measurement pawpaw powder, you take 2 spoons of pawpaw powder. So guys, this is our grapeseed oil. I'm going to add two tablespoons of grapeseed oil. I'm just making just 2 bottles of oil. That's a customer just order it now, and I don't have the oil on the ground, so I will do the double boiler method. Guys, this oil will work like magic, guys. So please make sure you stir it very well. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. When we post picture, we'll get a notification. So we need to add this oil. Need to add it very well, guys. So after this, I'm going to make the hair grow butter for today again, guys. This is our herbs. This is all the herbs that we use. Look at them: rosemary, herbs, clove. Look at them: moringa powder, cinnamon powder, avocado powder. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that when we post a picture, you get a notification, video, and all that. Our hairstyle, we'll all do all sorts of natural hairstyle. Thank you so much for your time. God bless you. I'm going to infuse this oil now before I can pour it in the bottle to infuse it for 3 months. So there are some oil that I cannot put it now. After the infusion, that is when I'm going to add some oil like peppermint, tea tree. Is after the infusion of the product, guys. Thank you so much for using Naam hair care product, for believing in Naam hair care product, and Naam hair care product is going to grow your hair. The best product for your hair grow, guys. We also have Naam hair care product for perm hair, for people who are relax their hair. We also have Naam hair care product for it. We have Naam hair care product edges cream, Naam hair care product leave-in conditioner, Naam hair care product hair growth everyday use oil, Naam hair care product hair growth butter, Naam hair care product your shampoo, your hair mask. We have 7. I've added 2 spoons of almond oil. This argan oil. I'm just showing you to see how I make my oil. I'm going to also make my butter. So this castor oil, because the oil I'm just making a small quantity for like 3 customers who order for a special hair growth oil, guys. That is why subscribe to our YouTube channel. God bless you, so that when we post a picture, a video, you can get a notification what we do on this. Guys, please make sure you stir it very well. stir it very well, because it's what you, how you mix it, that your oil will come out. Pawpaw powder, then this is moringa powder. This is moringa powder. I've had the moringa powder before. As I said, is the measurement of your oil. This is neem powder, guys. This neem powder, it works. You have drying and itchy scalp, you have dandruff on your hair is not growing, use this oil for your treatment, guys. You can use this oil for your hot oil treatment. I infuse my oil for 3 months, 6 months. That is how I infuse my hair growth oil, guys. You can see it now, the way I'm stirring it. And I also have